Welcome everybody to Let's Get Skilled Academy, and in this video we'll be focusing on the introduction to JavaScript. This will be our first video to our JavaScript Fundamentals playlist on our YouTube channel, so please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So yeah, guys, the first question is, what is JavaScript? Now, JavaScript is a programming language, and it is one of the core languages alongside HTML and CSS, which are the core languages for our web pages. JavaScript is a universal programming language, meaning it's everywhere. There was a study that was done in 2023 that claimed that 98% of the web pages are currently running and powered by JavaScript, which is massive. So um, what can JavaScript do? Now, JavaScript is a multi programming language, so it can create mobile applications, web applications, which is for front end, and it's now for back end, desktop applications, game development, AI, and many more. So we use frameworks for these type of things. Let's say for mobile applications, we use React Native, or let's say we wanna develop front end development and rapidly develop front end development, which we're going to be using React, that is developed by Facebook, Vue, Angular. For the backend, we use Node.js. Desktop applications will use Electron JS. Game development, AI. There's many more frameworks that we can use for that. Where do we start? You need to know basic HTML and CSS. You need a code editor, a IDE. You can use Visual Studio Code or Sublime Text, but what I would do is I would recommend you to use Play Code. You can access Play Code by typing playcode.io / JavaScript in your web browser. So yeah, guys. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna open up your web browser and then type in your URL bar playcode.io / JavaScript. That um that will be the URL to our the platform that you guys are currently seeing. We're gonna be using the Play Code environment for our code editor or for the IDE. And so, what we're gonna do in our next video, we will explore the code editor, and it will be where you write your own JavaScript code.